Because I was onboarding one more new client. It's burning sensation in my eyes. I feel like I should reduce the number of hours I spent on screen. Hey, what is up, you beautiful people? It's 12:40. Started the vlog a little late because I was onboarding one more new client. So we just closed one client. The first, no, actually, yeah, second client in March, back to back. At any given point, we don't take more than 10 clients. So hopefully by March 10 will be full. Our seats will be full. So yeah, that's how it pretty much works. And today morning we had the sales call routine, onboarded the clients. Then there was one more sales call that I did. So I'm launching a sales mastery course where I'll be coaching people on sales and helping them practice a lot on the sales call. So I was working with one prospect who just paid the money. So yeah, it'll be fun. So today's agenda is I'll record one more course with our hero. Yes. So so one more course on automations and everything, and then I have some calls lined up in the second half. So, but unfortunately couldn't go to the gym. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. So yeah, I think Shreyas is a little busy and I'll take a little bit of a rest because my eyes are hurting with too much screen time, and I feel just burning sensation in my eyes. I feel like I should reduce the number of hours I spent on screen. So I actually started working since early morning. I could not sleep, so I woke up around like 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. say I started writing a email course. So I already have a 30-day high ticket email course, and what happened was Deepak asked me to shift it to ConvertKit. So I was using a different email marketing tool, which is Flowdesk, because it's like cheaper. But I have heard some stories that if you have too big of a list, then they kind of ban your account or something or suspend it. So what I'll be doing is I just transferred 7 emails to ConvertKit, and I'm setting up a free training as well for everyone who wants to go ahead and check out the 30-day email sequence. Since I was constantly watching my screen, then took bath, came to office, and again constant calls, my eyes are like thoda burning. So I'll close my eyes for a bit, and I'll not sleep though. I'll have Shreyas come in, and once he is free, we'll start recording the training with him. So yeah, that's the plan. How's your day going? Let me know in the comment, and see you. Yeah, so Shreyas is doing his magic, and we'll learn the magic craft from Shreyas, how he does it. So yeah, we are going to one Asian restaurant now to have food. You can see Shreyas, Sushanta and Deepak going over there having some real nice food here. Chalo, let's go have food. Hi, so I have decided, so just had lunch. Now I'm going back to home. Deepak and Shreyas are at the office. I'm going back home and I feel my eyes are burning, so probably take a doctor's appointment, or maybe I'll just sleep it off. Whatever reason, it's just not comfortable working like this. So yeah, take care of your health, guys. It's just hell of an irritating thing when your eyes start burning. So yeah, that's it for the vlog today. I don't want to record anything else because I feel like I need a little bit of a rest, and see you tomorrow itself, right? Thank you very much for watching.